All right, so we have the topic on the board, sword. This is a topic students find very difficult, but the truth is that the topic is very easy if you understand what it's talking about. Okay, now we said that a sword is a number containing a root that cannot be written exactly as a whole number or fraction. It contains a root, so there will be a root, and when you express it, you can't write it as what? A whole number, or you cannot express it as what? A fraction. Whenever you have such a number, you call it sword. Okay, so examples of sword, we have root 2. If you press root 2, you have a value 1.414213. You see those set of numbers, you cannot be able to express them as what? As fraction. Okay, so a number that you cannot be able to express as fraction or whole number are called sword. So think of another number. We have root 2, we have root 3, we have root 5. There are lots of them. We have root 7. Okay, so etc. So think of other numbers that you cannot be able to express it as whole number or fraction, then we call them sword. Now let's simplify this sword we have here. Okay, you have root 20. Now how do you simplify this? We want to simplify this in such a way that we are going to have two numbers that we multiply to give you 20, such that one of the number will be a perfect square. So how do you do that? A very easy way to do that. Okay, so when you draw a line, you write 20. Okay, now let's divide 20 with a number. The smallest number that will divide 20 is what? 2. So you divide. Use 2 to divide 20, you have 10. You divide again. Use 2 to divide 10, you have 5. All right, and when you divide, 5 divides 5 is 1. All right, in this case, look at this. This is 4. 4 times 5 gives you what? 20. And 4 is a perfect square, because when you take the square root of 4, you have what? 2. So it can be expressed as sword. Okay, so what you need to do is just to write 4 times 5. Okay, so in this case, I'll write 4 times 5 as what? 20. Okay, now when we have root a times b, this is same as root a times root b, and when we apply this rule here, we are going to have that this is root 4 times root 5. All right, so when we do that, we have that root 4 is what? 2 times root 5. Since root 5 is a sword, so you cannot be able to express this. Okay, so you have 2 root 5. So that means simplifying root 20 is what? 2 root 5. Let's try the same thing for this. Now this is 72. We divide with the smallest number. Okay, smallest number that can divide 72 is 2. So you divide. 2 into 7 is 3, remainder 1. 2 into 12 is 6, so you have 36. 2 times 36 gives you what? 72. And 36 is a perfect square, because the square root of 36 gives you what? 6. So therefore, you can express this as 36 times 2. Either ways though, 36 times 2. So this is the same as root 36 times root 2. And if you take the square root of 36, you're going to have 6. So this is 6 times root 2, which is 6 root 2. Okay, so if this is clear to you, try to simplify this. Try to simplify square root of 18. Try to do this. Okay, so try it, then drop your answer in the comment section. Okay, subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.